Can you tell us your favorite night market you'd recommend to the world?
Oh, like
Taiwanese night market.
Like the favorite is like Shilin 夜市.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I haven't been there for quite a while.
I live right next to it.
I mean,
you do?
I love it. Yeah.
Yeah, especially my school was next to Shilin night market, so like every night, like after the school, like I would go there, like and try to find the food.
Yeah.
And I have like one more like kind of like exciting one, like the one like I'm really 很期待 like is like Keelung 夜市.
Okay.
But that one, I went there like, but the time I go, like it's like everything is like so crowded. Like you have to wait like 1 hour, 2 hours for one place to get the food. So that one was kind of like the one I want to go like probably like next time when it's a weekday, not a weekend, because weekend is too crazy.
Right.
Yeah.
I love the Keelung too.
Keelung,
Yes. Keelung got a different kind of night market. One is for the fish market. It's open at 2 a.m.
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
It's a must go as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, they have a different kind of the seafood. Yeah, just like me.
Oh, that's
good
salmon.
size.
That's salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, different kind of fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should go it once of lifetime.
Right.
But we got another night market, just like the Alex said. You definitely need to go to in the weekday.
Okay.
Yes.
When it's not so crowded.
Not so crowded, but it have 100 years history.
Really?
Yes, since 90s.
Yes, Alex.
I went there like 2 times, like and every time like I didn't succeed. Like the first time I go, like I went on a weekday, but it was like all closed, like they didn't even open, like so I couldn't try anything. But the next time I go on the weekend, like but it's like too overcrowded, like so like I cannot try anything.
Next time you can come with me.
The expert here.
Yeah, send Tong a message and then send it up.
In Keelung 夜市, there's a must-eat, which is called 泡泡冰. I don't know what's it
Bubble
is.
ice?
Bubble ice. You know, they mix whatever flavor you want in the shaved ice.
Okay.
And they beat it by hand.
Oh.
And it's so good.
Kind of like a snow cone, like an American snow cone.
It's something
Like
between
put syrup
gelato and ice cream and shaved ice. It's a fusion. Must go.
Sounds very complicated.
Pow.
But tastes good.
It sounds like yeah.
I love the peanut one.
Wow.
So good.
Good
Good.
choice.
Yes, we go together.
Okay, sure.
Yes. But Sumi, next time you go to a Keelung night market, but what is your favorite you would recommend to your Japanese friends?
There's so many, but if I have to choose, I would choose Tonghua night market.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm kind of lazy, because I'm living in Taiwan like 7 years, right? And I don't want to wander. I know Shilin is really big,
Right.
but too big.
Too big.
Yeah. So I don't want to walk that long. So I would recommend go to Tonghua 夜市.
Yeah.
And maybe the size is not that big, but it's got everything what you guys think of.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's
the
just
chicken
one
That's
road.
good. Chicken butt.
The chicken butt, it's good. The best
Yeah,
one?
it's good too.
Good one.
Tonghua is the
Good one.
best?
Best one.
Tonghua is the best?
Tonghua.
Yes.
Okay.
I will say Tonghua 夜市 is got best chou tofu. I mean,
Best
stinky
tofu.
tofu as well.
Really?
For me, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not that stinky, and it's
You
Stinky.
want the things to me.
it's really nice.
It's all about that funk.
You know, but if like people from overseas, I would recommend them to go to Tonghua 夜市.
Okay,
The
okay.
best chou tofu.
It's a good entry level.
Charlotte, give it a try maybe next
Next time at Tonghua.
Maybe next time.
What's your favorite night
Of
market?
course, my favorite is the Daqing 夜市 in Taichung.
Okay.
Because it's the one I went for 3 years.
Where she
and,
rules.
Yeah.
And I know everyone there, so it's very convenient.
Wow.
Yeah, it's all friends there, so it's very fun.
Can you get like free food, like because you know like everyone?
Yeah.
There you go, like, hello.
I went there like last week, and yeah, I got so many free food. They gave me so many things to
Alex,
try.
you should go.
Yeah, go on, Charlotte.
Yeah, sure.
So it sounds like there's like a lot of variety and options. Like, do we have like an idea of like how many night markets there are?
Oh my God, I've never thought
many?
of the answers to this question.
Because it's just like, I
Just
imagine.
in Taipei City.
Wow.
Night
markets in Taipei alone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
They're-
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
they're gonna
12,
make us
13,
count?
How many? 20.
20,
Around 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gosh, that's a lot.
That's a lot. So how come Taiwanese are still quite slim?
Oh, I think it's the walking. I told you. It's
Oh,
the
it's the
walking in
walking,
the night
huh?
market. You know, you got to work it off.
I live very close to Raohe night
Yeah,
market.
that's a good one.
Raohe night market has some really good stuff as well. Glutinous rice, mi gao.
Yeah.
There's this sesame oil and ginger rice
Is that like a
cake.
dessert?
No.
Is it sweet or
It's
savory?
savory. It's savory.
Oh.
Oh, it's my favorite.
Even I
And-
haven't tried that.
And 药炖排骨.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
That's
Like
good
the
stuff.
medicinal herbs with the pork chop.
Yeah. What about you?
I love it.
For
Do you have a
me,
favorite?
I really, really like Daqing, the oyster omelets.
Recommend the best ones?
In Wanhua night market.
Really?
They got a crunchy one.
Yes, that's the best. That's the best.
My favorite.
Yeah, you get that texture.
Not too much seafood for you, ah.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise,
Too bad.
It's okay. She's gout and about.
Oh, I'm hungry now.
I know.